All right. Good evening, everybody. This is your hey, Karen. Hey, sweetie. This is your evening earthquake report. Sorry it's late. Like I said on the other report I just did about Solomon Islands, the people we hear from the bank, we signed the bank loan, refinance. We're now settled, and the new stuff starts next month. Hey, sis, welcome back. All right. It is April the 20th, 2020. It is 6:06 now. This is going to be your evening earthquake report. Whoops. Let me go down here and save it so I can go ahead and paste it in when it's time. Copy. All right. Here we go. Lots of biggies, guys. 4 pointers. Okay. There was a 4.1. Now, if I only give you one earthquake center, that's because USGS and EMSC agreed. All right. Excuse me. Here we go. There was a 4.1 Hindu Kush region, Afghanistan, 24 miles south-southwest Jarm, J-A-R-M, at 119 miles in depth. A little bird says, thank you, Lynn. All right. At 119 miles in depth. There was a 4.4 Solomon Islands region, according to the USGS. Let's try that again. A 4.4 southern Xizang, China, according to the USGS. At 62 miles east of ARZAK, China, at 26 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 4.5, downgraded it to a 4.4 after USGS posted. They've got it 75 miles east of KASHI, China, at 24.8 miles in depth. Now, USGS EMSC said there was a 2.4 Tennessee. All right, USGS has got it 5 miles southeast of Loudon, Loudon, at 14 miles in depth. EMSC's got it as a 2.4 eastern Tennessee. They've got it 6 miles northwest of VORORE, Tennessee, at 13.6 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 SAVU, S-A-V-U-C. They've got that at 36.6 miles in depth. A 4.0 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico. They've got that at 9.9 miles in depth. A 3.8 JUY, Argentina, at 176.4 miles in depth. Guys, that was a deep earthquake. That was 284 kilometers. All right. Now, EMSC had this one at a 4.5, downgraded it to a 4.4, San Juan, Argentina. They've got it at 124.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.6, New Guinea region, Papua New Guinea. They've got it 26 miles southwest of MENDI, at 14 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 offshore of Atacama, Chile, at 24.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 off the shore, Coambo, Chile, at 21.7 miles in depth. Guys, are you noticing these quick quakes are getting deeper with every time they post them? USGS and EMSC agreed there was a 3.5 Western Idaho, at least USGS says it was Western Idaho. They've got it 40 miles east of Cascade at 8 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 3.5 Southern Idaho, 50 miles west of Chalice at 7.4 miles in depth. There was a 3.6 Seram, Indonesia. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.6 Mandano, Philippines. They've got it at 37 kilometers. I forgot to do the depth, so yes, you keep coming. I'll get you at midnight. They've got it at 37 miles and kilometers. So let me calculate that. They've got it at 22.9 miles in depth. Mandano, Philippines, at 3.6. There was a 4.7. According to USGS and EMSC agreed, okay? So I used USGS. There was a 4.7 Tonga Islands region. They've got it 34 miles north of Haifu, Tonga. That's Hifo, Tonga, at 22 miles in depth. The same thing for this one here. I used USGS, EMSC agreed, so I didn't want to waste space. There was a 4.7 New Ireland region, Papua New Guinea, 97 miles southwest of Kaving, all right, New Guinea, at 6 miles in depth. Now, USGS and EMSC agreed again, except on the location, all right, and EMSC is a little higher. USGS said there was a 4.0 northern Alaska. They've got it 50 miles south of Kavik, K-A-K-T-O-V-I-K, at 5 miles in depth. Now, EMSC says, nah, it wasn't anywhere near there. It was a 4.0 northern Alaska. They've got it 122 miles southeast of Prudhoe Bay at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, USGS had it at a 5.0. EMSC has got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, I'm afraid to look, guys. Last time that happened, we had a major earthquake. Let me go take a peek. Landslide. Argentina, 4.5. Holy cow. I got 14 new earthquakes. We don't do the little 2-pointers, and I'll put that in the link also, because we've been having a lot of 2-pointers, guys. Turkey, Puerto Rico, California. It's going crazy. Okay, let me put this bunch of links in for these earthquakes. Let me copy them, and then I'll put in the comment section for you. All right, I'll put in the comment section for you the links for all the smaller earthquakes that you can go check out. California, Nevada, Iceland, Switzerland, all those. Copy. And we'll go to YouTube. I'm sorry I have to go live, but like I said, they're not letting me go live on my cell phone or even do a video on my cell phone. They hold things for up to 12 to 24 hours before they post them, and they think it's wrong. Posting these. Last one was EMSC, Northern Alaska. If I got them all. Yes, 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 yes. Saving. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and post these in community as well. So hang on for 1 second while I do that, so you guys actually get to see this. Paste. I am so excited with the refinancing of the house. That is so, so awesome. All right, I got to go to get the links for the little earthquakes, and I got to put that in there also. As you see, I keep them at all times for you guys, so you guys can always check them out. Okay, they're all there. These are all the links for the small earthquakes. All right, so we've got to copy those. Now I'm going to go back to YouTube, and I'm going to be quiet for a minute because I'm not going to echo with you guys. Okay, all links are now posted in the comment section for the smaller earthquakes. I've got to get busy and write down 14 more earthquakes for the midnight report. It may be early, but we'll see. Good evening, Darlene. How are you, sweetie? All right, let me go ahead and go. I still haven't fixed Tom's dinner. I got to get that done. And I need to eat. I need to walk the dog, give the dog his pills, make sure Tom takes his pills. You know how it goes. 2 thumbs up for you, Lynn, Darlene, Karen. Guys, thank you so much for coming in. Karen and Lynn, thank you. As long as you guys are here, I don't think those trolls are going to come back because they know you're going to zap them. All right? They're doing good, sweetie. I just got to, yeah, they're doing okay. They're doing okay. You guys in blue are angels. Let me put it that way. And I'm able to concentrate on the earthquakes and not worry about having to delete dirty words and stuff. All right. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. Lynn, Karen, thank you. Darlene, big hugs to you too, sweetie. I'm going to get going. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please remember to check out the community page for all updates on earthquakes, okay?